Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to switch your demo account on Capital.com account. So first we're going to go to our browser and search for a Capital.com broker. Then click on the link that pops up. Then here you're going to click on your account section on the top left corner. So next there's an option which says switch to real money. You're going to click on it. So now you currently have a live account. When you even check your account status, they're going to ask you to complete your registration. Since this is a live account, you guys could trade in real life time. So I suggest you guys use the live account to actually trade and make an influence. And if you guys want to switch back to demo, you guys could click on the same button we clicked. So this is how you basically do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.